Autumn is here. It's a time for cozy sweaters and warm drinks, but most of all, it's a time for nature's greatest show. The leaves are changing. They transform from green to brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow. This is a spectacle we wait for all year round. Life can be hectic. We get caught up in our routines. It's easy to miss the beauty around us. This autumn, take a moment to pause and appreciate the season. It's a reminder that change can be beautiful. Nature is putting on a show just for us. Go for a walk in a park, drive along a country road, breathe in the crisp autumn air, let the colors of fall wash over you. It's a feast for the eyes. You'll feel your worries melt away. This is a time for reflection. As the trees shed their leaves, we too can let go. We can release what no longer serves us. Embrace the new season with open arms. There's a sense of peace that comes with autumn. It's a time to recharge and reconnect with nature. Have you ever wondered why leaves change color? It's a fascinating process. As the days get shorter, trees receive less sunlight. This signals to the trees that winter is coming. They start preparing for the cold months ahead. The green color in leaves comes from chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. This is how plants make food from sunlight. As sunlight decreases, chlorophyll production slows down. The green pigment starts to break down. This reveals other hidden colors in the leaves. Each tree species has its own unique color profile. Maples, for example, are famous for their fiery reds and oranges. Oaks turn a rich, deep brown. Aspens create shimmering golden groves. It's this variety that makes autumn landscapes so breathtaking. The intensity of the colors depends on the weather. Sunny days and cool nights bring out the most vibrant hues. This is why autumn is a favorite time for photographers. The light is magical. The colors are unparalleled. The changing colors are not just about beauty. They serve a purpose. The red pigments in leaves, called anthocyanins, act as a sunscreen. They protect the leaves from damage as they absorb the last rays of sunlight. This allows the tree to gather as much energy as possible before winter. The changing colors are a sign of the tree's resilience. They are preparing for the harsh winter ahead. They are shedding what they no longer need. This is a powerful lesson for us too. We can learn from nature's cycles. We can adapt and thrive even in the face of change. Autumn is a celebration of life and death. It's a reminder that everything is temporary. But even in death, there is beauty. The fallen leaves decompose, providing nutrients for new life in the spring. It's a beautiful cycle of renewal. Autumn is a sensory experience. The crisp air, the rustling leaves, the earthy scents. It's a feast for the senses. Take a moment to really appreciate it all. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Feel the cool air on your skin. Listen to the sounds of nature around you. Autumn is a time for making memories. Go apple picking with your family. Build a bonfire and roast marshmallows with friends. Bake a pumpkin pie and savor the warm spices. These are the moments that make autumn special. What are your favorite fall memories? What traditions do you cherish? Share your stories and photos with us. Let's celebrate the magic of autumn together.